Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. This is a Hurricane Florence, get ready for the big storm that's coming grocery haul. And we are staying with some very lovely friends of ours. They probably are past friends and close to family. They probably are family because I'm trying to get one of these sons to marry my daughter. But that's another video and another subject. In Jesus' name. I gotta set my stuff up early. So, anywho, we're going to be staying with them. They are pet friendly. They are little kid friendly. There's guys and gals for my guy and gal. So we just thought that we would get some groceries so that we can ride out the storm. It is Wednesday and everybody is prepping for this storm. So let me share with you the things that we got. Now, this is a mixed grocery haul. I do have keto friendly items because I am remaining keto even while we are away from home as much as I can. The kids, again, have leeway in what they will or will not be able to eat, but I am remaining keto. So let me share with you, this is all of our things together, and then I'll tell you how much I paid, and then we will finish getting ready for the storm that's coming. So the first thing we got was some, this is Frank Courier's liver mush. Yummy. These are my friends who laugh.
I don't like it either. It's my husband.
This is, we got some sour cream. I got a couple things of cream cheese. I'm going to make some more sausage balls or bacon balls or whatever kind of balls I can make with what I got. We are doing a taco soup. So we got pinto beans and some black beans. I am going to skip this item and eat something else, maybe a salad. We got pasta. We're doing something spaghetti if we have to. So pasta sauce for spaghetti, baby carrots for the kids, just things that we can snack on. See, we could get things like granola bars and all these other things, but we're trying to maintain as healthy a lifestyle. My friend's doing Trim Healthy Mama, so we are trying to stay as healthy as we can. So baby carrots, we got a thing of cabbage, just one cabbage. We have some taco seasoning for the taco soup. We did pick up a couple boxes, just two, of the toasty crackers. We got the peanut butter rounds and then the regular yellow peanut butters. We got a couple. We have a couple things of zucchini because we are doing Alfredo, zucchini Alfredo tonight. We got pepperoni, queso blanco, electrolyte for the waters, shredded cheddar cheese. Shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to be doing bagels, and I'm also going to be doing the something else with mozzarella cheese. I can't remember right now. Shredded cheese, flaxseed meal, Parmesan crisps. I got some honey roasted almonds with cranberries. It's not bad on the carb count, and one fiber, so I did pick that up. We got a variety of different cheeses for Sammy's. Then we got some of this Joseph's. This is pita bread, and then there is some of this lavash bread. We got these corn chili chips for the taco soup. I got chicharrones or pork rinds for my snack here. So I got the cracklins, and then I got the just the pork skins. I like the cracklins better. We picked up some napkins, seltzer water, 4 things of eggs, 2 strawberries. We got butter back here, salted butter, and then 2 heavy creams and a half and half. So that's what we picked up from Walmart, and we also picked up 3 cases of water. And then from Harris Teeter this morning, I picked up 3 things of coffee. They were buy one, get one free, and I had a coupon. And then 3 things of the natural peanut butter. So everything you see here is right at the $160 mark. And there are 3 adults and a lot of kids. 6 of them. And 2 dogs. Here, look. Scooter! Hey, Scoot! Hey, Scoot! So there it is, you guys. We are setting in for the long haul. Very thankful that our family and friends were able to house us. They even have some temporary housing in case we have to be here longer than a few days. So that is a blessing. If you're in the North Carolina area, we are asking you to please be very, very safe. If you're in North Carolina, South Carolina, or Virginia, which is in some parts of Georgia now, according to the map, please be careful. Get what you need now. Get your gas now. Get your food now. Get your water now. And then get into a safe place. We love everybody, and we are going to try to check in as we can. But thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until next video, bye now.